Hi, my name is Igal with Response Crew Handyman. One of the products that we do a lot is we do a lot of drywall. It's actually what we're really known for. Today we're in a garage. The garage is the barrier between the outside and the house. When you're doing drywall in a garage, the drywall must be 5/8. So there's two different types of thicknesses of drywall. We have a 1/2 inch and we have a 5/8. The 5/8, stronger, heavier, more sound barrier, burns slower, so in case there's a fire inside the garage, it will take more time for it to penetrate the house. Over here you can see it was actually in a garage. The customer drove into the wall by mistake, and we're repairing it. You can see that we put the drywall right up against the old drywall. Because it's the same size drywall, you really have a very tiny space. The only thing that you're left here is basically mud, paint, and texture. Should be about 1/4 of an inch at most. We have our insulation going in between the two pieces of drywall, and then in the inside we have the other 5/8 piece of drywall that right now we're hanging and taping. All right, yeah, that's a little bit of information about how to do drywall in a garage.